Breaking news, I've just heard from a source of a source who's got 3 sources who have 2 sources each. All of them are credible and non-credible. The Mavic 5 will be, or maybe might not be, possibly coming out this or next year, possibly in the next 10 years. Breaking news.
You already know what I'm going to say. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON and I hate fake news. Sounds a little bit like Alcoholics Anonymous, doesn't it? But we have all seen videos like the video that this one opened with, expressing that a new product is on its way when it's not. Now, since I started DroningON, I did so to curb the number of crowdfund projects which were promising the world but ultimately failing to meet consumer expectations and resulting in disappointment. Last year, I made a video regarding fake news and how it was used to peddle not only affiliate click links, but pushing to try and get more views and subscribers from desperate channels that were clearly lacking creativity. The video was met generally with a lot of positivity, and the majority agreed with the points, and it spurred many to think twice before believing such rubbish. However, there is still the minority that just will not accept that fake news like that is not real. My strategy and thoughts on the matter have changed over the last few months, and in fact, I've really stopped caring for those people that don't wish to listen. It's up to them ultimately, and I think some people don't learn by listening to others, but they learn through their own mistakes. So when a promised product just doesn't arrive, hopefully something inside here clicks and they think, I'll think twice before I believe it next time. In addition, channels that do peddle fake news decline in popularity. And in fact, having now returned to the drone market following my move to glorious Sweden, I've noticed that many of these such channels that peddle this nonsense just haven't grown, and their subscriber counts have decreased in growth. That's their own doing. By pushing false information, misinformation and fake news, not only do they discredit themselves, but they prompt their own channel to start to fall aside. The drone market right now is genuinely very slow and a little bit boring actually. Yes, we have the Skydio 2, but how many of us really truly need a fully autonomous drone? It's a little bit like the Tesla. The self-driving capability of the Tesla cars is an add-on. How many people truly get the self-driving functionality and use it every single time they sit in that car? I would wager very few. Most of us love droning because we are flying the drone. The only people that really need a fully autonomous drone are those in sports such as skiing or water sports where you don't have the capability to carry a transmitter or a controller. Besides the Skydio 2, there is also the Autel Evo 2. However, if you're UK-based, European-based, anywhere outside of America, you can't get one. So I'm really struggling to get excited about anything that comes from Autel. There are some crowdfunded drones, but please avoid them at all costs because they will fail to impress. Take the Hover Camera 2, which eventually delivered about a year late. The results from that really aren't that great. Then there's Microdrone 4, which I'm not even going to talk about it here. Just look at the comments on that campaign page. It's over a year late. The specifications have changed since the original campaign and everybody wants a refund. The moral of this story really is there isn't a Mavic 5 coming out this next year, maybe the year after. None of us know right now, but let's just sit back, relax and enjoy droning. Taking a bit of time away from the content creation here has made me rethink my love of drones, and I actually stepped back because I stopped to love droning so much. However, the release of that pressure to create content made me rediscover just how much I love flying drones again. So all I ask is that you guys stop chasing the dreams and instead start living the reality of today. Fly the drones you have today, love the drones you have today. Whatever appears tomorrow, in 6 months' time, or in 12 months' time is a bonus. Don't sit and wait for a product that isn't there yet, that there's no evidence for, and that is only based on speculation or credible sources of uncredible sources who have 5 credible sources, because none of those sources are credible. I hope this makes sense. Comment below, what do you think about this? Give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.